Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Akshay Kumar Malhure. I'm a software engineer and this is my first YouTube video, and today I'm gonna show you how to use scroll view in Autolayout. So let's start. Open your Xcode project, create a new Xcode project, click on single view application and click next. I will give the product name as a scroll view with Autolayout. Scroll view auto layout demo. Okay, and select the language as a Swift and click on next. I will save it in a document folder and click create. Since it was already existing, I will replace it and create a new project. Okay, so here we go. I will select the simulator as iPhone 5s and open my main storyboard. Okay, so now we are on view controller scene. Now let's add scroll view into the view controller. Let's drag and drop to the view controller. I will just resize it to the size of view. Just resize it. And I will add some constraints to it. Bottom, left, top and right. Next, search for UI view. And just drag and drop to the scroll view. Then resize it to the exactly to the size of scroll view. And I will say this view as a container view, since it's going to hold scroll view contents. Container view. And let's add some constraints to it. Bottom, left, top and right. Add 4 constraints. Now it is showing some errors. Let's see, need X position and need Y position. So let's try to fix this error. So for X position, I'm going to say center horizontally in the container. And for Y position, I'm going to add some height to it. Now, I should add a height of 1000 to it. So let's add a height of 1000. Since scroll view is going to work on the height basis, so we need to give some height to the container view. And we need to manage this height with the auto layout, because we should not give a constant, but we are trying to give a maximum height of the scroll view. Okay, so this is 1000 for now. Now let's try to add some contents to it, like text view, labels and some text fields. So I have added a text view, and let's resize it and give some constraints to it. I will give the constraints like left 8, then right 8, and from top 20. And I will give a height of 45 to it and add 4 constraints. Okay, and we'll say update frames. Now drag text view to the view, container view, and then just resize it and add constraints to its left, right, top 20. Okay, now we need to remove editing and scrolling from the text view, since we are not going to use this, because we are just doing the demo of how to add scroll view with Autolayout. Now add some labels to it so that we can increase the content size. Let's resize it and add some constraints. Left 16, right 16, and from top 20. Okay, so again we'll say update frames, add label, resize it. Let's say this label as, we'll give this label title as level 2, and this label, upper label, as a level 1. I will add constraint as center horizontally and top constraint as 20 from top. Okay, so let's add one more text view, since we have to increase the content size to see this demo. So let's resize it, make it non-editable, and remove scrolling. Add some constraints, 16 from left, top, and right. Add these constraints to it. And now for more text, I will just copy paste this text 3-4 times so that the content size will get increased and we will be able to see the scroll view demo. Okay, so this is pretty much more text. So now we have to add a bottom constraint to the text view, so that the container view will know that how much the height of the content view is there. And this is the magic part, like we have to give the bottom space, bottom constraint, so it will manage the auto layout automatically. Now the errors occur, so this is because we need some more content space. So let's increase the size and make it less than 1000. So here's the magic happens. This is the simplest trick I'm telling you guys. So let's increase it 1500 and make it less than. Don't forget to make it less than equal to what the height of the container view. Okay, let's remove this warning, fix misplacement, click and fix misplacement and fix misplacement. Okay, so everything is done now. Let's run it. Okay, Since I'm on a VMware, it will take a long time. Sorry for that. I'll just pause it and then, okay. So the application is running now, and you can see the scroll view is also working with the 16 space from the bottom, and it is also scrolling well. This was the simplest demo. Now we will try increasing the height to 3000 and try running it. Okay, so it is running now. If you scroll now, you can see the container size doesn't affect it. So it is managed by Autolayout, since we have done less than to the container height. Now we will try just adding the bottom space to 100 and we'll see what happens. If you wanted some bottom space, so it will also be available at the bottom. You don't need to programmatically manage these kinds of constraints, so you can do it in very easy way. So now you can see the 100 spaces there, bottom from bottom. So this way you can do many examples and code. And, okay. So friends, if you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe and share. Happy coding, and thanks for watching.